Our biggest priority for this home was maximizing the floor plan and really creating an optimal flow for the clients as they came in through the entryway, the family room, the dining, and the kitchen. When designing the Newlands home, we had a lot of major goals and priorities for the space. Modernize this home, expand and enhance the views that we are so lucky to have here, and then really maximize the functionality of the space. So we're in the entry and family room of the Newlands home, and one of the things that I really love about this space is the existing vaulted ceilings that we have. One of our priorities was really to enhance the views, and so we widened the existing windows and cleaned them up. They're all drywall wrapped, no case around, just for a clean, minimal aesthetic, and really to focus on what matters most. We have a ton of natural light coming in, but we really wanted to expand the windows and focus on the flat irons and the views outside. We put in this entry nook. Obviously wanted a coat closet, which we have right next to it, but just a little impactful moment with hooks and cubbies for easy access, and just creates a little moment when you walk into the door. So we are in the living room of the Newlands home, and one of the most impactful pieces in this living room is obviously this beautiful fireplace. 5-foot-long linear fireplace wrapped in a Sophia silk finish. And so super soft. You get a lot of really pretty browns and granite colors that marry so well with the Shinoki granite walnut cabinets as well. Another key feature in this home was that we redid all the main level and the upper level flooring in this beautiful engineered Aragoni hardwood. These stairs were existing and we had no plans of moving them, but we definitely wanted to upgrade and modernize them to match the rest of the aesthetic of the home. And so we took the existing handrail, refinished these, and then our team did a great job matching the grain and the wood for the handrails here for this really seamless look from the main level all the way up to the second floor.